Hi, I'm Paula Renova, founder of Renova Enterprises and creator of the Cardinal Method of Life Connection. And today we're going to talk about two of the three levels of consciousness I describe in the Cardinal Method. So the first level is functional consciousness, the second level is individual consciousness, and the third level is higher consciousness or universal consciousness, which we'll talk about in a future video. So today we're going to focus on the relationship between the functional consciousness and the individual consciousness. So we belong to families and cultures. That is what I call functional consciousness in a cardinal method. So we belong to a collective soul, to a collective archaic consciousness. And let's suppose we are born in a family that tends to be depressed, tends to be sad and engage in melancholy and not allow happiness in life. That is the collective unconsciousness of this family. And as an individual, let's suppose you are born with a very different individual consciousness. You want to be happy, you are a joyful person, but you're born in a sad family. So there is short circuit between these two levels of consciousness. And this is literally physics. On an energetic level, as an individual, you are smaller than the collective unconscious of your family soul. So I've seen this happen in a lot of Cardinal Method sessions. Once the individual decides to engage in awareness, and when we see the tendencies of the family unconscious, we are less vulnerable to this loyalty to be sad, to not allow happiness in life. And once one person decides to engage in a path of healing and awareness and consciousness expansion and personal growth, it ripple effects to other members of the family. And the more other people in your family decide to engage in a consciousness process, we have more energy to be a counterpart to this collective consciousness, this collective soul. So as you can see, if we have more happy people, more people who decide to be aware and who decide to engage in a happy, joyful fulfillment of a path, the family soul will literally change. So as individuals, is it possible for us to change the first level of consciousness, the archaic collective consciousness? In a Cardinal Method perspective, the answer is yes. So if you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk about the next level of consciousness in another video, the higher consciousness. And I hope this was clear. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching all the videos, for being here on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.